welcome us with showers of blessing. You know, in tourism, we don't call it rain. We say it's liquid sunshine. So we are liquid sunshine today, and what a wonderful moment it has been for us to come to the 5th renewal of the Jamaica Rum Festival, and for the 2nd time here in Montego Bay. And what a right place for it to be, because I was telling some people in an interview a while ago that Montego Bay is sort of the epicenter of perhaps 4 of the biggest producing areas of rum in the island. With St. Elizabeth across the border, Appleton Estates, of course, there's Frome down the road, and there's Hamden across the way, and there's Trelawney Estates and so on. Wow! Rum really was born in these spots, and it is correct that rum should be highlighted and showcased in the West. But here is the bigger part: the fusion of rum and music and food. There's no better combination anywhere in the world, and so tourism is always delighted to be in the middle of that fusion. And here we are participating in this particularly excellent offering that we're providing for our local people first of all, and certainly for our guests. This weekend promises to be a bumper weekend, and we are seeing the signs of it already. We're expecting perhaps about 3,000 people, Joe tells me, from overseas to come for Reggae Sumfest. And of course, we are expecting some $20 million US to be moving around in Montego Bay and in the economy of Jamaica as a result of these activities. So, to place Jamaica Rum Festival in the middle of Sumfest is a mixture, a combination, believe me, a bigger word than that, a confluence created by the divine to make this the most exciting weekend in our calendar. So we're excited about this event today. We want it to grow. When we began 5 years ago, we began with a lot of hope. And what we wanted to do then was to do something we call a rum prototype. You remember that, Tamika? A rum prototype. And it has evolved over time to become now a rum festival. And we want to showcase the varying brands that we have in Jamaica, the different types of rum that we have, and we are saying to the world, once you have a palate for the spirits, come to Jamaica and we will satisfy them all. So congratulations to the team that has put it together. Congratulations to Ray Nephew and all the participating teams. But this evening I want to also add the Tourism Enhancement Fund, because of the role that the TEF has played through the Linkages Network in building out these activities, particularly the festivals that we've been having in relation to gastronomy. And so, looking on and seeing the exhibits and all the participants, I was particularly touched to see that the Artisan Village has come to the party, because it is the newest development on the block. But the reason it is so important is that it showcases not just the creative output of our people, but it shows the authenticity of the Jamaican product. And it tells us that deep inside of us there is so much more that can come out. All we need is the opportunity for exposure. And we are providing that all across Jamaica, and we are saying to the world, come to us, because Jamaica is the authentic experience that you see. In closing, I just want to speak to the resilience of our people. Nobody thought that in less than 2 weeks after a Category 4 storm passed by, creating damages to the south coast of the country and causing disruptions all around, we were able to put together this festival with the spirit and with the kind of efficiency and indeed the style, which is so typical of Jamaica, that we are seeing here this evening. And I want to congratulate the team, and I want to say to us all, the indomitable spirit of Jamaica and the resilience of our people will make us not only recover and recover quickly, but thrive and be stronger and better. Enjoy the festival, enjoy the weekend. It gives me now great pleasure to declare the 5th renewal of the Jamaica Rum Festival duly open. Cheers to the rum.
Thank you so much, Minister. No, Joe, you're not going to escape this, Joe. Joe, you're not going to escape this. This has been the Reggae Sunfest week. Come here. And the partnership, the first partnership with Rum Festival. I know you got a lot to say. And we're looking forward to seeing Babyface. Yeah. On Saturday night.
All I can tell you, everybody, this one has got a lot of production, great talent. The summertime bringing it in, you know, Reggae Sumfest, and it's so great to be involved with all these brands, especially the Ray and Nephew brand, and what they've done for. Well, you know, it's like rum and reggae, I guess, on the rocks. So, thank you very much. I love to see you at Sumfest.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much to the entire team. Thank you so much to the minister. Thank you so much, Josie BAGDANOVICH of Reggae Sunfest Downtown Entertainment. It is going to be amazing. Listen, I don't know, maybe you can still get your tickets for Reggae Sunfest. Scatter them still have ticket, don't it? It's not sold out, done yet. Them still have ticket. We still have some ticket. Limited amounts. Okay? So if you have not yet gotten your tickets, please make sure that you get them. Dancehall night is Friday night. And of course, Saturday night is gonna be epic. That's all I gotta say about that. Listen, right